Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles using a foolproof method. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh fruits and a good liquid base. We'll cover the crucial steps to ensure your popsicles are not only flavorful, but also have an ideal texture. This approach helps avoid common issues like icy bits or separation, guaranteeing a delightful frozen treat every time. Get ready to master the art of homemade popsicles. The foundation of a great popsicle starts with your ingredients. Select ripe, seasonal fruits for maximum flavor and pair them with a quality liquid like coconut water, fruit juice, or yogurt. Blend everything until it's completely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain. This step is vital for a consistent texture. If needed, add a touch of natural sweetener to balance the flavors, but taste as you go to avoid over-sweetening. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your chosen popsicle molds. Leave about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top for expansion. For perfectly centered sticks, let the popsicles freeze for about 1 hour until slightly firm, then insert the sticks. This prevents them from floating or leaning. Finally, freeze them for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. To demold your popsicles, run the outside of the mold under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps release them easily without breaking. Once removed, store your delicious treats in an airtight container or freezer bag to maintain their freshness and prevent freezer burn for up to 2 weeks. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your perfect homemade popsicles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.